All right, here's your hint for number 1. So we have two charges that are both exerting a force on a third charge. And it wants us to find the net force. So we're going to have to add up those two forces. So the force from charge 2 is an attractive force because they are opposite charges. So it's going to be directed to the left, whereas force 1 is directed to the right. And so I need to make note of that when I add up my forces later on, that there's a negative sign on that F2. The force from charge 2 on charge 3 is going to be equal to, using the universal law of electrostatic forces here, or Coulomb's law, I guess, K is equal to the product of the two charges in absolute values divided by the distance between those two charges, and that distance is center to center. These two charges, make sure you're converting nanocoulombs to coulombs. A nano or a micro, which one was this? Nano, 10 to the negative 9th here. Micro is 10 to the negative 6th. So make sure you're making that conversion factor when you're plugging them in, and make sure you're using the appropriate R values. How far is it from charge to charge? Okay? And make sure those are in meters as well. Once you get those two forces, plug them in, find your net force. That's your hint.